Blessings, everyone. Welcome back to Elite Jamaica. Yeah, man. Now Chucky there up on the road again. Today, guys, we're heading back into Morant Bay. Remember, I told you guys about that old slave jail in Morant Bay? We never find it the other day. But we got instructions and we got the directions as to where it is. And that's how we're heading back today. So we're going to show you the journey down, guys. We're going to stop down at the gas place and get some gas car really low on that. We don't even know if we're going to reach. But I'm going to show you that. Hopefully we reach car downhill we go. So, yeah, wanna follow me. Roll intro. Yeah, guys, so Chucky said, I'm going to try. Brave the steps. I'm going to try. Brave the steps. Brave one. Show about fire resisting door, London.
Okay. Hey, bro. Look over here. That's something nice to see.
Bill, John N. Rello, 1834. Yeah, we find it. We find the old jail cell. This is the jail cell, guys. And guys, so me and Chucky a bet say yo the car. Well, me I say the car now go reach the lock up before I reach, and Chucky I say it go reach.
Yeah.
How much you bet?
5 bills.
5 bills. Alright, so my 5 bills they're right in this already. No joke thing. Guys, lemon. Yeah, man. I've been searching for one of these for a very long time.
Nice size one too.
Yeah? Yeah. Big up to Sir Ramsey down the road and come up the only reliable motor vehicle in a need and pen. Taxi.
True.
Yeah, man. Guys, when you look on this, I show them my gas needle. When you see where that there? When you see where that there? Alright. Road we go. You know, follow me.
Yeah.
It's in every little shape, so big body camera in the shape, you know. So it's not just but I got shakings tipping up, you know. Yeah, I'm right, but the traffic, I'm right.
The road better than the other roads, you know?
Yeah.
More better. Drive. Could have better, but no? Morant, bro.
Not to even move. Yeah, guys, so we are now in Morant Bay. We're at the location where we say we are come for the jail them. They said the reason why this jail cell was built was to facilitate Paul Bogle. So I'm really curious to see it. Back in the days after the jail cell, I think they had parish council buildings here or something. Follow me, guys. We want to see that building. Oh, that's good.
It's clear, man. Sunlight reflecting my face.
Yeah, guys, so the gas bring way now. But anyway, I want to see this. They said jail cells are here. Historic jail cells from in the Morant Bay Rebellion. So we're hoping to see it. This looks like a new building. This is a new building. So
Yeah.
I think this should be the building.
This building? Oh. It's in bad condition.
Trust me, then I live like man, but you never know what's I bet you that.
It's crazy, bro.
So guys, this is the building, guys. Look out for us in the traffic.
Yeah.
This is the building here. We're gonna search and see if we can locate those jail cells that they say are here. And we tend to start come some place where look like it all drop down and we are so. Come. I think I want to assist me.
Alright.
No.
Not there?
I look like bathroom facility.
Yeah. Wow. Alright. Like it. One of the bush.
Look at this.
Wow. It's nothing here.
Here, guys. Yeah, come now, each one of you are drop them.
Look for us now.
This is our kitchen.
Kitchen. Okay.
Yeah. Not catch that. Come on, kitchen.
I'm run, brother. I'm afraid of me. Oh.
Go on, next one.
Now I'm upstairs. Now I kind of step. Come on. Sure, say something. Sure.
I'm not sure. Come on.
What's it called?
Yeah, guys, so this is the coffee scene. Yeah, no.
Okay, stop. Type of design, type of brick. Huh?
Old design.
Oh.
Guys, and I noticed that it's an old building. Look close and I can see the big design. So that look like the original part of the building that was here.
Yeah.
From the Morant rebellion.
Sure. So the building end there, guys. Still no jail cell. Yeah, upstairs. Oh, yeah, for real. I big get disturbed. Huh? The building get disturbed, so.
Don't catch that on camera.
What? Oh, yeah. Up it, man. When I see them places? Oh, up this side. I got it. Good.
Guys, and I think I forgot them. Not safe.
Let's see if I can try.
Sell them wooden upstairs still, you know that.
Show that.
Jail cell, two things to go upstairs, peeps. Jail cell and bar. Not supposed to go upstairs. Now search, because I'm straight over here. Don't touch the wall anymore.
Yeah.
Understand? This I can't want jail cell because that have glass window, you understand?
Yeah.
Curly clear of this.
Mm-hmm. Sure. Wow. It's messy.
Messy. Come have a look around the back there, just back further.
How about this back? Oh, yeah.
You better walk, I say.
Yeah. You want to peek in the kitchen?
Yeah, man.
Alright.
Yeah, but where's number 7 already?
We'll get to see nice. Okay, guys. This is in the kitchen, you know. So I gotta give you guys a peek in it, you know. Wow. That's what it is. Alex. Yeah, guys, so this is a nice part. Yeah. It's a part of the structure. That's what it looks like now.
Yeah, guys. What just came to my mind? Shocking. I tell you what just came to my mind.
Yeah.
The building was an old jail, but it did refurbish. So we can't look for jail cell. We have to look inside of the room and see if we can find where the jail cell is. We put all the under the building.
Sure.
So guys, we have to go back through the building because we get good information that the jail cells are here. So we want to find them. And we have about 6 of them, so we don't see no jail cell. We have to go back through the building.
Hey, bro. Look over here. That's something nice to see.
Bill John N. Rello, 1834. Guys, you see that? Snap a pic. Like come off our old typewriter. I'm gonna understand how the servant feel over here. We can't
Something wrong.
we can't understand. Oh, this is something else.
This one, right? Iron door.
Yeah.
Something wrong with that. That's an iron door.
Vault, this one.
Huh?
So like a vault.
Oh. So
Guys, come, take a look at this. You see, me tell you, yeah guys, and you see me tell you, so I better come back over the building. Look at this. This is metal in a piece. Yeah, this is metal. And if you look here, these are the joints. Come down further, Chucky. These are the joints that actually locks this door. It's built like a vault. You understand? So, now go in here to look, because something we have missed something. Leave that side.
Yeah.
This was jail cell now.
Yeah.
Guys, it seems like this was Paul Bogle jail cell because they said that what they actually said, yes, Moore?
Yeah.
What they actually said, guys, is that the jail cell over here was built for Paul Bogle. Alright? Then some people tell you say we'll find 6 or 7 jail cells over here. However, I'm not seeing where there could be other jail cells on this compound. You understand? And this that I'm seeing right here, guys, this building was not a bank, right? So for this building to have a vault type building, a vault type door, yeah guys, this building was not a bank, right? So for this building to have a vault type door like this, it have a keyhole inside still, you know.
Yeah.
Notice?
Yeah.
There's a keyhole
Yeah,
inside.
I see it.
However, look here. Yeah, move it. So
Yeah, move it. Yeah.
show about fire resisting door, London.
Okay.
Yeah guys, so I'm not sure if this, as I'm saying, I'm not sure if this was actually the jail cell, but due to the fact that this building was not a bank, but it was a parish council building at one point.
Yeah.
But at the same time, this from London, this would have been from in a rebellion days, you know.
True.
When we were still under that British thing, they were the British ship.
Slavery.
Yeah, they would
Yeah.
ship these things from London because, guys, you know, we found a lot of stuff that was shipped from London. We even found a water wheel that was shipped from London. We found the boiler pot that was broken, which was shipped from London. Most of the things in slavery days were shipped from London, and this was shipped from London. Now I'm gonna do that research, peeps. Choke fire resisting door London. I'm not gonna be able to put it in the video, but while watching on the premiere, if you watch for the premiere, type premiere in the comment section and like tell me if you do the research for that and find out about that. Alright, if you're watching the comment section, do the same. And guys, as we're right here, please remember to take the time out to give this video a big thumbs up. Alright, if you're enjoying this video so far. And if you haven't yet subscribed to Jamaica, consider doing so. I do it right now because that really do help the channel. Alright, so yeah, me not just still.
Yeah.
I don't know. So guys, I'm gonna tell you if this place, as a parish council, if it had held the cash where they would need such a large vault, or if this was actually the jail cell built for Paul Bogle. Alright, because they said this jail cell was built for Paul Bogle. Not this in reference to this, but they said the jail cell over here was built for Paul Bogle. So we're still on it.
This step. I'm gonna show you go up there now. For that, yeah, I want for that to go up there, no? Eh?
We can run one. We get to know each other. Alright. Yeah guys, so Chucky said I'm gonna
Try.
brave the steps. I'm gonna try. Brave the steps.
Get the brave one. Ready? You want to weak, right?
Weak?
Of course, it is weak.
Sit up.
So no matter, right?
Yeah.
Alright. Yeah. Yes, guys. So I'm on the top floor now of the building. And I'm out. It's also very risky right now. As you can see that. I have to know what I'm doing. Wow. So it's the first building facing the step coming up. That's all through and look. So it's that's all. What that? Yeah, not here. They're empty. My roof is empty too. Yeah, so it's very risky, bro. Wow. Yeah, so there's
Guys, and I saw the steps here.
dangerous.
So the steps here, no peeps. And just for reference, here's the other step over here. Yeah, man, I hit that there, so. Can you see it? On the ground. So Chucky just take a big risk.
Yes.
Alright, so guys, as I'm saying, I'm not sure if this is the actual jail cell that we're searching for. But after this video is uploaded, most likely we will find out and get the info. Alright. And this actually looks like it could have been a jail cell. Yeah?
Yeah, have a check. Let's pick up more side, basically.
And this is one of the oldest parliament.
Yeah, I see. Yeah.
Yeah, guys, you notice we've got the old brick wall right there. That was built a while back.
Yeah. And it's firm too, no?
Yeah, and this wall runs along here. Meet back that.
It's like a.
Here could have been a jail cell, guys.
Because look, hold on.
Well,
Look at the window like this, right? And look at that type of window like this.
Next one, we'll some more tangible, more feasible, is it?
Yeah. So that's another part of the brick wall on this. Big man, look. Yes, guys, see there. So
What the fuck, the old of building with the thing, is it?
there. Okay. Come back right down here. So.
Could be the jail cell in there.
This.
Yeah, I'm starting to idiot, bro.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, peeps, so after searching and searching, you know, so I see the wall there, I think there's a part of building, I see, but walk come down in the way and I see something at the bush there, so. But I know I'm not like look on things until I show y'all. However, coming here right now, right there, so, I remember them that tell me so on 3 day here, or a slave they get hung on. Anyone know about that from St. Thomas can confirm that in the comment section down below. But the tree is right here. So we see something down here so look like a jail cell. So we'll check it out.
If you. Wow.
A jail cell. This has to be the jail cell. So this look?
Yeah.
Look from outside.
Show that.
Yeah. That's why I'm head of earth, my brother.
They have some breathing space all on it too.
That's why I'm head of earth, man. Yeah, we find it. We find the old jail cell. This is the jail cell, guys. And I think one more that
Yeah.
You see me?
Yeah.
So now make Chucky show them inside of the jail cell. Trust me, looking that while ago, it's like it's 10 million.
Wow.
Stop it up.
No. We have to clean up to see what's going on, you know? Yeah. This looks strange, bro. Wow. Yeah, guys. This is what it is.
Come back out and get spear.
Whoa.
So the graffiti like nobody writing that?
Graffiti?
Like nobody writing name on it.
I'm going to. So I'm in the slave building, guys. Those are the air hole up there. Huh? Wow.
Yeah, bro.
So I'm coming. Yeah. True, true. Yes, man. See them, man. The vents are up on the top, right? Yeah. I saw it.
I see the tree.
Yeah.
So this
is that floor. Coming.
This here, guys.
Wow.
This is really, I think this is the jail cell because this is really a locked away place.
Yeah.
Alright, and if you look on the locks that are on this lock on, I will just put one padlock on there. Understand down here can be chained also.
Yeah.
So this was the jail cell. This is solitary confinement to the highest level. Alright?
Coming out.
This is the jail cell.
Wow. So take another look at it, guys. Yeah. Wow.
Take picture.
Okay.
Guys, you know, them say them build the jail for Paul Bogle, you know. But did they actually hold the Paul Bogle here? That's for our next video. We are going to look on the next side of the jail. So guys, this is the second jail we find that has something to do with Paul Bogle. This looks like the bathroom here. Nothing else around there, no?
No, don't think. Yeah.
And that would be around there.
It's the bathroom here. Whoa. So about must slave them up when I want them all near. Or them lock up.
It's not a bathroom, it looks like lock up.
Really? Looks like
Yeah, bro, and they also look like it's underground.
underground, right?
You catch that on the camera?
Yeah. Alright, look like a hole down there.
Yeah.
Sure. Hold on, quick. Yeah.
And it goes right down like the stone and block it up.
Yeah.
You can see over that one, you know. Alright, that one now. These are a bathroom.
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 Alright. Still there? But no.
Some pipe on it.
If I look in here, so stay. Okay.
I like to be sure, I can't assume. You know.
Okay. Come on.
Remember the person was telling us there are 6 jail cells down here.
Yeah.
Now look for more.
Yeah. Wow. Then I feel like.
Yeah, guys, so today was a fantastic day. This is one of our better finds. This is something historic. This is something we're sure of because we have the information and all of that. Alright? One thing we're not sure about, they built this grave, this cell. Well, it's a grave anyway. They built this cell to facilitate Paul Bogle after the rebellion. Alright? Because they did expect to lock him up for a while. Did they really hold him here? If they get no time for come here, so I them kill him the same day when courthouse. I try to find out if he was actually held there because normally persons go to jail, he would have even write his name up in at the top. Somebody would have write something inside here, and it inside looks, as you notice, it looks like no one has been in there. You can see the bunk in there and all of them things. Yes. But I don't know if it was used. I think back then still, I think the Morant Bay police could use it 1 and 2 times. Still, when I don't say me, me never say me see, I'm just saying. Maybe because this would be like a solitary confinement and there could be inmates or prisoners or jailers who really out of control. And it would be one good thing to, you know. Now, me talk about the way them people are moving forward. Guys, thank you so much for joining me again. It was really a pleasure having you here. If you got this far in the video, type the words Paul Bogle in the comment section down below. Alright? And if you know really Chucky for what I'm for, type Chucky in the comment section. Yeah, we're there. So until we meet again here in Jamaica, just wanna say y'all stay blessed.
Thank you.